Good day, sir. I am Jumar Padulio and I am here to present my research study titled Reading Comprehension Challenges of Grade 7 Learners at Mercedes National High School, its causes and interventions. Reading comprehension is an essential skill for academic success, yet many Filipino learners continue to face challenges in this area. Recent assessment studies, including PESA, revealed that students in the Philippines struggle with understanding, analyzing, and interpreting text. At Mercedes National High School, grade 7 learners have shown similar difficulties that affect their academic performance across different subjects. This study seeks to explore the causes of these challenges and identify interventions that may enhance the students' reading comprehension. This study aims to address the following question. What are the causes of reading comprehension challenges of grade 7 learners at Mercedes National High School? And what interventions can be implemented to improve the reading comprehension skills? This study will only focus on grade 7 learners at Mercedes National High School during the school year 2025 to 2026. It will examine factors such as vocabulary, reading habits, teaching strategies, and home environment. This study will not include learners from other grade levels or schools, nor does it include all possible external influences such as socioeconomic background beyond the identified scope. This research is significant because it will provide insights that can help teachers, school administrators, and parents develop strategies to support learners' reading comprehension. The findings may also guide curriculum planners and policymakers in addressing reading gaps and improving literacy programs in Philippine secondary schools. Conceptual definition. Reading comprehension is the ability to understand, interpret, and evaluate written text according to SNU 2002. Intervention is structured programs, strategies, or activities designed to develop learners' academic skills. Operational definition. Reading comprehension in this study refers to the ability of grade 7 learners at Mercedes National High School to understand text based on comprehension tests and teachers' assessments. Interventions in this study refers to the remedial reading sessions, vocabulary building activities, and reading strategies introduced to improve comprehension performance. That's all for my research study. Thank you and God bless.